future prospect natin sa NBA. At least makasama natin siya ngayon, makamayan, makapagpa-picture. Last 2 weeks siguro si Dwight Howard ng NBA, pero ito pure Filipino po. So nangangailangan po siya ng suporta at dasal po natin. So panalangin po natin makapasok si Kai. Tapos this is history. Bago pa lang po siya makapasok ng NBA, nakapunta po siya dati dito sa bayan ng Kalibo. So palakpakan po natin si Kai. At sana si Kai, pag nakapasok na sa NBA, bigyan tayo ng tip. Sir, gusto kami. Joke lang. Sige po sir, tapos may konting mensahe po kayo siguro sa mga fans o inspire po ninyo. Salamat po.
Again, thank you, Mayor Juris Sucro. So at this point, maybe we have from the media to give their questions to our guests for this morning. But before that, of course, we would like to hear a message from Sir Kai to all of your basketball fans out here who have been with you in this journey of yours.
Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Gusto ko magpasalamat kay Mayor Juris sa pag-imbita sa akin and sa family ko, and sa lahat ng mga taga-Kalibo, maraming salamat sa very warm welcome. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami this past few days dito sa Kalibo and Boracay. So nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo lahat sa suporta niyo palagi and sa warm welcome niyo sa amin ng family ko. Thank you. And that's yun yung nakakapag maging mas competitive yung feeling dahil mas maraming international na players na pupunta and mas maraming teams and grabe din yung fans. So, yun.
Okay, thank you very much. Just to close our press call, can you just give a closing message to all our young fans or young athletes here, because you started at the age of 18 and Kalibo has been holding young athletes here, and they are looking into inspirations just like you.
For me, kahit ilang taon na mag-start, I think it's never too late. Kailangan lang talaga magtiwala sa sarili and kailangan talaga paghirapan yung dream mo. Ako nung bata ako, tinuruan ako na mag-dream big and talagang pinaniwalaan ko yun. Hanggang ngayon, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagsisikap ko para maabot yung pangarap ko.
So, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Kai Juris Sucro and Kai Soto.
Show me something natural like ass with some stretch marks. Still a dick you got right on your mama's couch and pull us like, hey, this shit way too crazy, hey, you know how to make me, hey, I be you from ACA, over much just page me, hey, I don't fabricate it, hey, most they copy fake.
Again, ladies.